In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your MacBook Pro 2012. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process is super similar to resetting an iPhone, so if you've ever done that before, this is going to feel super familiar. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually go up to the top left and click on this little Apple icon right here. From here, scroll down and select system settings from the menu that appears. And in this little section right here, make sure that you're on your general tab, which is going to be right below this battery tab. Once you're on general, scroll down at the very bottom, select transfer or reset, click on it, and then from here, you're going to want to select erase all content and settings. Your Mac is now going to ask you for a password. Go ahead and enter that in to continue, and after that, you'll see a screen explaining that all of your settings, your media, your apps, and all of your data are going to be removed from this Mac. I'd recommend taking a second to review everything listed so you know exactly what's being erased, but whenever you're ready, go ahead and hit continue and follow the on-screen prompts. Your MacBook is now going to go ahead and erase everything and begin that factory reset process automatically, but that is it. That is how you can factory reset a MacBook Pro 2012. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.